Hola. Some flowers. Take a look around. I haven't showed the garden in a while. Some sunflowers down there. This is amaranth seedlings. Purple baby bok choy. Pretty interesting. Had some amaranth down there. Oh, bees buzzing around. Some salads getting attacked by grass. Buckwheat about to flower. A couple of small flowers. Sunflower. Tomato. Throw in a vase container, see if it's gonna get going. This is an amaranth you can eat as a salad greens. Can tolerate the heat. Looks really wild. These are all eggplants and some fruiting little flowers here. Let's see. Huge pumpkin. Sun's making it wilt a little bit, but it'll bounce back. This is a fruiting plant from the Amazon. It's got little spines on its leaves. Naranjillo. Looks like a little orange, sweet and sour orange, like a kiwi. You can see some of the spikes underneath the leaf too. Very cool looking. So we got the shop. Garden's a little overgrown, but that's all right. Gonna figure out how I can get a nice cover crop this fall. The Italian kale still looking pretty good. These are collard greens, mixing between them and harvesting them. Nice and tender leaves. Thin them out as I go. The coriander seeds are starting to dry. The Russian kale is going to seed. Look like a tree. Little bunnies. Hey, little guy. There's another one. There it is. Pretty wild. This is baby bok choy. Slugs have been just attacking it. Tried a bed over here that I put rabbit fertilizer and all types of stuff and some organic matter, just to try to build up the soil and cover it with a little cover crop. Got some tomatoes in there, pumpkin. Was some okra, a little chewed up. The purple bok choy here, the slugs just went after. I think these are zinnias. Comfrey. This is ground cherries. Swiss chard. This is a purple tomatoes. Purple atomic tomatoes. There's a few down there. Let's see. This is the purple lady bok choy. This one got really large. It's starting to go to seed. Kind of nice. I'm hoping I can save the seeds and grow them, because this one just got like double the size of the other ones. Oh, cat's hanging out in the shade. This is perennial kale. Need to water it. But again, both of these beds I put a bunch of rabbit and chicken fertilizer and some greens I chopped underneath the soil. More Russian kale that's flowering and going to seed. These seed pods are getting pretty big. Very nice. This is buckwheat. ruby buckwheat. A little dry. These are little small bees. Bees are supposed to love these flowers. In the fall, they flower for like 8 or 10 weeks. You can hear bees buzzing around me. That's white buckwheat. Oh, there they are. They're around the flowers and the kale. So this buckwheat grew pretty good. I'm gonna try growing it larger bed. It's a summer crop. Some kale seeds drying out. It's pretty good. Start those this fall. This is clover. Trying to help the soil get going a little bit. More pumpkins. Collard greens. These are just some tomatoes I just transplanted. Some more. This is a mix actually. Russian kale, Swiss chard, Italian kale. It's a couple tomatoes. This is an avocado seed. I planted the seed. More pumpkins. This is where chickens fertilized. I sowed turnips, Swiss chard. We got down there collards, some Russian kale down there, but it's mostly turnips. Amazing how strong the chicken fertilizer is. There's a buckwheat in there. That's the quail. Again, this is overgrown, but that's all right. Down here, the soil needs to be kind of built up. Medlar tree. I think this is dill. I'm not sure, but the flowers are pretty nice. This is more collards. This is the avocado. Very cool colors. Yep. This is mostly weeds filled in down here. The soil just needs to be kind of built up. I tried sowing clover, but I didn't really get going. This is a persimmon tree. There's some fruits. There's a little fruit there. Might get a few. One pumpkin. Sunflower. I'm gonna clear this out and sow a couple crops. Orange tree, more kale. Made a few raised beds over here. Fig tree's doing pretty good. More pumpkins. This is all kind of grown wild. There's some carrots back there. Oh, lizard in the corner. The idea was to let this be all wildflowers. Oh, this is some quail. Oh. Egg in the corner. Using it as fertilizer down here. Give me a little shade. So, as you can see, grass grows pretty good here. I'm going to clear it out slowly. I'm going to use the chickens probably. Put them in a couple areas. I could take that chicken wire fence, line it up all the way down here and start on this side. This is a niche. I didn't know it got this tall. Chickens. Yeah. Gotta move them out. Hey. They give 5 eggs every day. Banana tree. This one got chewed up. That one also got chewed up. Chickens back there, sitting on an egg. All right. sunflowers along the little trellis. So yeah, the grass is kind of out of control, but I'm going to take a little spot